Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can unsend an email on Gmail. So let's say you sent an email to somebody and you want to unsend it. I'm going to show you how you can do that. So currently you can see I'm on my email here. So I'm going to show you a setting you would have to do in order to have a long time to unsend an email. So now let's move to the settings here. Let's move to the settings of my mail. I've done the settings here, but I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial. So you can see here the unsend undo send is 30 seconds. It's 5 seconds here. You have to change it to 30 seconds. So mostly every email's default setting is 5 seconds. This means if you send an email, if you tap on the send, you have only 5 seconds to undo it, else you can't undo it anymore. So that's it. It's just like on WhatsApp. When there was a time that when you send a message on WhatsApp, you have a few seconds to, unsend it or delete it. But now you have a long time. So this is the current update we are going with. So we have only 30 seconds. So we are going to move it to 30 seconds here. And now let's scroll down to our page here. And now let's save our changes. Good. So on that page, if you have any settings you want to do on your email or on your Gmail, if you have anything you want to change it, you go there and then you change it. You move to your settings and then you change it. Now to the main part of the video. Now let's try sending an email. This is the same email and I'm sending it to this. I want the video to be very short. So let's say I'm sending this email to the person right now, to this email. And now I tap on send here and you see something. You can see the send and undo here. You can see it's up to 5 seconds now and it's still there. It's going to be there for like 30 seconds. So for this duration of 30 seconds, I can undo it. I'm still talking and it's still there. So now let's say it's been 15 seconds. I want to undo it. Now I undo it and I edit it once again. I can send it. And once I send it, I have another 30 seconds to undo it once again. So after the 30 seconds, you can't undo it. So that's it for how you can undo or you can unsend an email using Gmail. So that's it for the video, and do all to like and then subscribe to my channel if you are new here. This is what we do here. We always do videos about tutorials like this. That's why we are here. So like and then subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming updates. Peace.